Hey, what's up, Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have one of my favorite model kit from Moderoid Good Smile Company. And this model kit came from the RPG game Trails of Cold Steel. So I know what I'm talking about. And this model kit's background, he came from one of the 7 Divine Knights of Erebonia from that game, and this is none other than Valimar The Ashen Knight. So I really like how this kit looks like, because this is big, and the color of this is it's really like a metal. I really like this model kit. That's why I bought this from Hubbyteh Toy Store from Pasig City here in the Philippines. I bought it from Shopee Ph, and shout out to you, Hubbyte Toy Store, and let's build this kit out. So the box art here shows the magnificent Valimar The Ashen Knight. So this is from Moderoid Good Smile Company, and it's from the game RPG game Trails of Cold Steel. And I really like the design of this kit, because it really looks majestic. It's a knighty a vibe of a model kit, which will break some of the traditional design of all my mecha kits in my cabinet. So I really like this because of the gray color and the big blades, which I found in most review of this kit. So the side of the box here shows the side view of the Valimar, also here, the other side. At the back of the box, we can see the front view of the kit, the rear view, and some of the action poses where he lunges the sword, he's kneeling, he's preparing for slash mode, and he's charging, and some defense mode of the kit. So if we open the box here, let's open the box. We can see the instruction manual. This time it's not wrapped in plastic, because I think the shop, Hubbyte Toy Store, already opened this just to check for the completeness of the kits or the runners. So if we look at the manual, we can see the front cover is same as the box art, and it says here Trail of Cold Steel there, Trails of Cold Steel, and same as the back of the box. We can see some yellow highlights here, indicating that these are pre-painted parts. So you can see the sword there, it's very big, and the usual Moderoid style of manual, which is color printed, and it's nice. I think this is an easy build, a quick build for me, and I'll not have a hard time to build this like most Moderoid kit I had. So we have here metallic gray runners, and see, as I observed, the plastic wrapper of the kit is same like the Bandai. Unlike the other Moderoid kit that I have, it's like a thicker cellophane, but this one, it's like the Bandai plastic. Anyway, we have here big gray runners for the wings. We have here another metallic gray runners for the inner frames or armor parts. We have there the pre-painted part for this one, the gray runners. Mostly gray runners, since the name itself implies Ashen Knight, so it's gray, mostly gray. And yeah, we have all gray. Yeah, this is the sword. Look at the sword, very big. It's very big sword. I really like the sword. I love this, how it looks like. And there is some pre-painted parts there. This for the torso, and this for some armor ornaments. Very nice. And we have here another gray parts for armor pieces. And what I observed, doesn't have any stickers, since most important parts here are pre-painted, so no need for the stickers, which is a big turn on for me in this kind of kits. And thank you, Hubbyteh Toy Store, for giving me this cool sticker here. Kudos to you, Hubbyteh Toy Store. So as always, before we build the kit, let's have a quick review of this runners here. So we have here runner eye for this one, I think armor pieces, for detailed armor pieces with some pre-painted part there, the gem part. Again, also the same, we have here pre-painted parts here for runner eye. So we have 2 runner eyes. We have here 2 runner J's also. So 2 runner J's, dark gray colored runners. We have here 2 sets of runner D. So these are runner D, gray colored part. So we have here runners O, runner B here. We have here runners P, also P, so we have 2 runner P's. We have manipulators here. So these are runner M and runner N for the hands. And we have here runner A for the torso pieces, and there's this pre-painted colored part there. We have runner E here, runner F. This is a gray colored part for the crotch, I think. Then we have here runner K for the hilts of the sword and for some joint parts, and runner L for the saber. The sword is very nice. The sword is very nice. See, I really like the design of the sword, since this is the body of the blade, and the blade itself, it's I don't know how you call it, but it's like galvanized colored. So it's like a real blade, to be honest. It's like a real blade in actual sight. I don't know in the camera, but in the actual sight, this is like a real blade. I like the galvanized color of the blade itself. The body of the blade is dark gray. And we have here ornaments for the armor. We have runner G, runner H, and the last are 2 runner C for the gray parts. So see you next time until I build this kit, and we'll have some review of this after I build this. Till then, my friends,